All right, so this video is just to help if you're getting this third-party session cookies warning from Kaltura when you try and play a Kaltura video in Blackboard. Right, so for Chrome. Now in Chrome, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to Settings. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to come over to Privacy and Security. And to third-party cookies over here, right? And you can just change it to that, right? In incognito, allow all cookies, and then when you're done viewing, you can return it to how it was. So that should solve that problem in Chrome.